Have you ever started a new job, sat down at a computer, typed in a username and password, and it just worked? Congrats, you just met Active Directory. Active Directory runs quietly in the background of basically every office on Earth. And today, in 3 minutes, you're going to understand it better than half the people using it every day. Okay, so what actually is Active Directory, or AD? Because in IT, we love turning perfectly normal words into acronyms that sound like robot names. Active Directory is basically a giant security guard for a company's computers. It keeps a list of every person, every computer, every printer, and every shared folder in the company. And it decides who's allowed to log into what. So when you type your password in at work, AD is the thing going, "Yep, that's Dave from accounting. Let him into his email and his shared drives. But do not let him anywhere near the developer tools." That's not AD being mean, it's just that different people need different tools. An accountant doesn't need access to things like code editors, Git, or DevOps tools. That's for developers, not accountants. So AD makes sure Dave only sees what Dave actually needs, and keeps the developer tools locked away from anyone outside the dev team who wouldn't need them in a corporate environment anyway. Think of Active Directory like a school's front office. Every student has an ID card. The front office knows your name, your class schedule, which rooms you're allowed in, and which ones are off limits. And as students, don't even think about the teacher's lounge. Meanwhile, teachers get their own set of keys: copy room, supply closet, places students never even see. Active Directory does that, but for a company. It's the front office for your entire digital identity at work: who you are, what you can access, and what doors stay locked. So what does this actually look like when someone starts a new job? Let's break it down. Day one, IT sets you up with one login, one username and password inside Active Directory. Here's the part that's actually cool. That one login is connected to everything you need for your job. Your laptop checks it to let you in. Your email checks it before showing your inbox. Your team's shared folder checks it before letting you open a file. Even the office printer checks it before it'll print your document. So instead of 10 different passwords for 10 different things, it's one login checked everywhere. Now here's why that matters. Say you leave the company. IT does one thing, turns off that single login. And because everything was checking that same login, everything locks at once. Laptop, email, files, the printer, all of it, instantly, from flipping one switch. Why should you care about any of this? Almost every mid to large company on the planet runs on Active Directory. Banks, hospitals, schools, and more. If they've got more than a handful of employees, there's a very good chance AD is running in the background. So if you're going for an IT support job, a help desk job, a sysadmin job, literally any entry-level IT role, you'll probably touch Active Directory on day one. Creating accounts, resetting passwords, fixing permissions when someone can't get into a shared folder. Now don't go slapping Active Directory on your resume just from watching this video. That's not how it works, and interviewers can tell. Here at TechSense, we have a team of experienced engineers, so this channel isn't just about definitions. We've got real material, real projects, coming to help you actually get hands-on experience. The kind you can put on a resume as real projects, not just watched a video about it. This Active Directory video is just one piece. We've got way more where this came from. Other IT topics, other skills, all the stuff that actually gets people hired. Stick around. This channel is going to help you build real skills for free and actually get you in the door. Now don't forget, in addition to our security guard analogy, Active Directory acts as the security guard for your entire organization. It determines who has access to what resources. Every account, every computer, every shared file, and every login is managed through this one system. It checks everything, every time, ensuring security and control across the board. That's it, boys and girls. Active Directory. Explained simply, no textbook required. If this helped, hit that subscribe button, because here at TechSense, we try to make tech make sense, one video at a time.